Hey Coffee Beans, it's your Queen of Coffee here with a new video. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. It's a super simple smoky eye with a bright, gorgeous orange red lip, which is something I've been wanting to play around with. If you'd like to learn how to get this look, keep on watching. Alrighty, so since the eyes are super simple, I'm going to do my face first. I'm just taking one of my favorite primers. This is by Fenty Beauty, and I'm applying that to my face. Use whatever primer you love. I'm then going to go in with the Miss A Perfect BB Cream, and I'm applying that on the center of my face where I get the most redness, and I'm going to blend that out with my Ride or Die sponge, which is from Shop Miss A as well, and it's their Paw Paw sponge. But the reason why I love this BB cream, because not only is it $1, but it evens out my skin really well. It has pretty good coverage for being a BB cream, and my skin just looks great. It's not too dry or cakey looking, it just looks perfect, hence the BB cream's name. It fits it so well. I'm then going in with a Hydrating Camo concealer by e.l.f., and I'm just applying that where I get the most darkness under my eyes, which is usually the inner and outer part, and then whatever is left over I'm going to use to highlight the center of my face. That way there's not too much product, but it also adds a little bit more coverage. Then to set it, I'm using my Grody, don't judge me, Miss A Perfect Press Powder in Translucent. Y'all know that I love this powder, so I'm applying that with my sponge where I get oily or my products will crease, and usually what I do is I tap the back of my hand so there's not as much powder on the face. So I'm now going in with blush. I'm using this blush from Shop Miss A by Amuse. It's this gorgeous terracotta shade, but I went a little heavy-handed, but that's okay because I'm going to go in with my sponge to blend it out with whatever's left over from the BB cream. You can use this also with a foundation brush if you use a brush instead. To bronze my face, I'm going in with another Perfect Press powder. This is in the shade Honey, and I'm using a dual fiber brush because this powder is super pigmented, and I love this powder because it's the perfect bronzer shade for me. Not too dark, not too cool, not too warm, it's just perfect. Then I'm going in with Chestnut in the Perfect Press powders again, and I'm going in with the tiniest amount, but I still had too much. And I'm going to use that to kind of contour, or more like bronze tour, my face a little bit. Then I'm going to highlight with this gorgeous highlighter also from Shop Miss A. This is in the Velour Highlighter line in the shade For You. Just look how pretty that is, and it melts into the skin. So this is the face. Now we're going to do the eyes. To prime, you guys know I love my P. Louise base in Rumor 02, so that's what I'm using. So I'm just applying that to the lids and blending it out with my Paw Paw sponge. For the eyes, I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill Divine Neutrals palette, and with the shade Just Barely on a Morphe E23 blending brush, I'm going to apply that into the crease as my transition shade using circular and windshield wiping motions. To deepen up the crease even more, I'm going to go in with Good Vibes on the Jaclyn and Morphe JH33 blending brush. If you have the Morphe M433 blending brush, it's the same brush, just a different handle. I'm going to apply that just a little bit lower than the previous shade we use to deepen the crease. Then I'm going to go in with Booked on another Jaclyn Hill Morphe blending brush. This is the JH37. It's a short tapered blending brush. I'm going in with the tiniest bit amount, mainly focusing that on the outer crease and blending whatever is left over on the brush towards my inner corner using circular and windshield wiping motions again. I'm then going to go in with Cinnamon Roll on the same JH37, and I'm focusing that mainly on the outer corner and blending whatever is left over to the inner corner. And for my lid, I'm taking my face powder on an AOA Studio E111 brush, and I'm using that as a white eyeshadow. So this is what the lid looks like. I was so excited with this look. I love it so much. I'm then just going to apply some mascara. You guys know I love my Skinny Lash from Shop Miss A, and my Fat Lash from Shop Miss A as well. Then I'm going to apply some falsies. These are from Believe Beauty, and they are in the style Glamorous. So this is what the completed eye looks like. For the look, I really wanted a orange red lip. I don't have one, so I'm taking a red liquid lipstick and an orange liquid lipstick from Flower Beauty and Wet n Wild, mixing them and applying it to the lips before setting my face with my beloved Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And then I'm going to use the best fan ever from the Dollar Tree, Slay, to help set it. That's it for this video. If you like this look, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already and would like to become a part of my Coffee Bean family, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love it so much. All the products I use and my social media will be in the description box below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!